Hi, we're continuing this video on how to speak with children, because if you speak with children in an appropriate and a good way, the likelihood of compliance is so much higher. So let's look at just 3 little ways that will help you be able to connect with children so that they understand what you are saying. So the first way is to speak developmentally correctly. So that's the younger the child, the shorter and simpler your directives should be. So consider the child's level of understanding. For example, a common error adults make is asking a 3-year-old, "Why did you do that?" I mean, most adults can't work out why they did their certain behaviour. It takes a bit of thinking about why they're upset or why they're behaving the way they are. So, sometimes asking, "Why did you do that?" is just not appropriate for a 3-year-old. Instead, let's just use the words, "Let's talk about what you did." And that will open the conversation up. The next point, number 2, is to speak socially correctly. So even a 2-year-old can understand and say the words please. Expect a child to be polite. Children shouldn't feel that manners are optional. Speak to a child the way you want them to speak to you. So never, and this is really important, never ever use sarcasm with children. They just do not get it, and it's just not fair, and it's actually mean to the child. Do not use sarcasm, because sarcasm is a put down, and it's used to manipulate. It's generally used to manipulate or control another person. It is the poor man's attempt at humour. So don't let it happen between you and the child. And number 3 is speak psychologically correctly. Threats and judgmental openers are likely to put the child on the defensive, just like anybody. You messages make the child clam up. I messages are non-accusing. So instead of saying, "You'd better do this," "You must," say, "I would like," or "I am so pleased when you ... Instead of instead of things like "You need to clear the table," don't say that. Say, "I need you to clear the table." So don't ask a leading question when a negative answer is not an option. "Will you please pick up your coat?" No. What's the point in asking? Wouldn't you rather say, "Pick up your coat, please"? And then the child knows what to do, and there's no option for the no. So those are just 3 very, very simple: speak developmentally correctly, speak socially correctly, and speak psychologically correctly. Thank you.